Good evening, guys. How are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, I'm finally on 100 subscribers. I'm very much excited. So guys, lately I have not been doing anything on my YouTube channel. I have not been uploading whatsoever due to the fact that my son damaged my ring light and my mic. So I had to order a ring light yesterday from Takealot and I got it today. So I ordered from Takealot and I think it was a special. So I'm gonna do an unboxing now and show you, but I don't think, I hope it's what I'm actually expecting. So yeah, and then I bought a ring light yesterday and it was on special, so it was 135, and the courier charged me, I think it was in total it was 200 rand with the delivery price as well. So yeah, let me just show you what I bought. So basically what happened is that I had to use my workplace address so that they can deliver while I'm working, because if they had to deliver here at work, at home, they will never find anybody else, because everybody goes to work and schools. All the children go to schools, and me and my husband will obviously go to work. So this is my ring light, guys. First of all, this is how I got the delivery. This is how, with this plastic torn and like this. I don't know, should I go at the back? Can you see that I'm not actually, number one, the packaging for me. Packaging is very important, guys, especially if you are selling something, like you are you are an entrepreneur, anything to do with packaging for me is like, it stands out. So with Takealot, I'm very disappointed with your packaging. It's not Ayoba. I was expecting I don't know, something with a Takealot logo or something, not a plastic, like a plastic like this. This thingy is very fragile. If you can put it like this in a van or whatever it is, anything can happen. I'm very disappointed. Look at this, guys. I haven't done anything, literally nothing. So I am actually not impressed. I'm gonna open it and see if it's still in a good condition. Otherwise, I'm gonna send it back, honey. I am gonna send it back. First of all, it's a 26 centimeter ring light. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, this is just the ring light on its own, and then I guess this over here is a stand, I guess. I'm not using my mic. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I hope you can. Okay. Oh no, this is so tiny compared to my other one. This is nothing. Like, this is small. So guys, I'm gonna show you the other one that I had that is broken. This is like twink. This is, hi. Yo, I don't know. I hope it works. And then I've got these. I don't know what is this. I guess is to connect. And I've got this. I guess this is for the phone stand. Can you see? I think so. I have no idea what it is. This, and I also got this. I don't know. Okay, that's from the other box. All right, this box, and then, guys, the packaging. Yo, guys, Takealot must do something. Who does this? With the plastic just like that. But this ring light is fragile. I'm so disappointed. But anyway, we move. Okay, just saying though, Takealot, I'm not okay. All right, I guess I need to pull it out of the box. Okay. What is going on? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I guess this is the tripod. Yeah, and then this is where basically I'm gonna put the connector. Oh, okay. Oh, and it's very, very long. You guys, you won't be able to see it. Okay. I hope it works. I just hope it works. Okay, and then I guess I'm gonna have to ask my daughter or my husband to connect this for me. Because without ring light, I'm very dark. Look at me, like, I need a ring light. Oh, I'll use a side lamp. Child. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna have to ask my husband to connect this for me. Yeah, so this is my goodies, my ring light, but I'm not happy honestly with this ring light. Should I connect it? But how? Let me just connect this ring light. Let me just connect the lights, yeah, and see if it's gonna work, honey. It better work, because wow, I need this. It has to work. Let's see. Oh no, USB. I need a USB adapter, because my other charger uses a type C to type C. This is what I'm looking for, like a USB thingy adapter. And then I'm gonna have to plug this USB thingy cord to, okay, I guess, what now? What do I do? Okay, the thingy turned blue, so definitely it's on. Child. What now? It's not working. Oh, honey. Oh. So, please excuse my kids, guys. Okay, I guess. Is it only one shade of light? Oh, different shades of light. So this is, I don't know, can you see? But I guess, all right. Can you see the difference, guys? Okay, child. So it's not bad. As tiny as it is not bad. Right? I don't know, guys. What do you think? I feel like I like this color. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, strange. But that one was more brighter. Or is it me? Or is there something that I need to do more brighter? Oh, it's dark. Oh no, I'm not happy. What are these minus and plus signs for? Let's see. Oh, maybe to make the light more lighter. What is this? How to change the light? Plus. Guys, what is this minus and plus signs for? I wish I can show you. Because now... Oh, to reduce the light. Oh, yes. Okay, yeah. Like, what the heck? Oh, yeah, so to increase the light and to decrease the light. So this is the max. Wait a king. Okay, now, okay, it's working, but I don't know if... I feel like it's not bright enough. I feel like I just wasted money. I don't know. I don't know, guys. What do y'all think? But I feel like it's dark. Or is it because it's just me, the user? Huh? Could be the user though. I mean, yeah, it could be the user. Guys, I need help. I've got now so many tripods. With no... I need a proper ring light, honestly. I think this was just a waste of money, honestly. I'm not happy with the result. I'm not happy with what I purchased. For now, I'm just gonna have to live with it. But then that's the thing. My speaker, guys, I lost my phone, right? and then I purchased this new phone. It's a Samsung. However, the old device that I used to use for my mic, it uses this little pot, right? This little pot, right? And then this new devices, obviously you can't even put earphones slot or anything, so it's basically type C slot. Let me show you what is a type C. A type C slot is basically this is a type C slot. This is a type C slot. So now it's very difficult. I don't know where I'm gonna find a mic that uses a type C slot. I'm gonna have to go to Dragon City, honey, and check. I know they never disappoint. I'm gonna have to go to Dragon City when I'm off. Maybe Tuesday, I'll see. But I'm not happy. This is just a review of Takealot Ringlight. I don't know. I just purchased, guys. Honestly. I think I was supposed to like take a bigger ring light, you know, but I'll survive for now. I guess, you know. Yeah, guys. Oh wow, wait a minute. Can you see the difference? Or is this just me? Let's see. Yeah, man. I don't know. Maybe it's just the angle, guys. But I'm gonna have to connect this, you know. Let me unplug it. All these. But I have to put it back into the box until I'm ready to connect it. Oh, guys, I'm coming from work. I'm so exhausted. This ring light though. These are the buttons I was talking about, guys. The minus, the plus signs. But anyway, child. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing here. I don't know what I'm doing here, but anyway, yeah, I must say I'm not happy. I'm not happy with the packaging. I'm not happy with the ring light. I'm just gonna go with the flow for now until I save money to get a new one, like a proper one, you know. And I feel like, you know, going to buying from Takealot, it's just a waste of my time and my energy. I'm just gonna go straight to Dragon City and get myself a proper one. Yeah, and then at least I'll be able to see the light, the different kinds of light. How the most important thing about doing a video is getting a proper light. Imagine now I'm in a dark. You guys can't even see me properly. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to go to Dragon City and get myself something better, and then I will take it from there, because really I love lighting. And this for me, I don't know if it's possible to take it back, but without a fault. Will they take it back though? Please comment down below and tell me if you had an experience like that and then you had to take it back, if they did allow that or not, so that at least I can take it back and maybe pay more and get something better, or just somewhere go to Dragon City and get myself a. But why did I think of that in the first place? Thank you so much for watching my video, and for all those that subscribe to my channel, thank you so much. You guys, you don't understand what this means to me. At least I'm growing. I was a bit worried, like, whoa. So I see that you guys are really supporting me. Thank you so much again. For those that are new in this channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Yeah, my name is Fifi Ngwenya. I shall see you on my next one.